Hi, this is Paolo with AEvent support. In this video, we're going to discuss the event info section of your AEvent timeline. To start, please log into your AEvent account. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. From here, let's click on Timeline from the left-hand menu. Click on your timeline to open it. The initial section it will open to is the Timeline section. Click on the Event Info section on the left-hand side. From here, you'll see the event registration details. This is where you'll set the event title and description. To edit, just click on Edit to the right. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to click on Update at the bottom. This section is also where you can set or edit the event automation. Click on Edit to the right to set these properties. You can switch between the automation types by clicking on this drop-down. Select Automatic if your event will be fully automated. Select Manual if you'll be running a live or manual event. Set it to Semi-Automatic if you'd like to take over the event after your video has played. This is also where you can select the video you'd like to play on your automatic or semi-automatic event. If you toggle this switch for Append Intro Close, you'll be able to select the Append Intro and Close videos. If you enable the Dynamic Video Creator, you'll have the option to add multiple videos to your event. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to click on Update at the bottom. This is also where you can enable your event's countdown room. Just toggle the switch to the right to enable. Once enabled, you'll have the option to edit your countdown room. Here you can edit the background, headline, subheadline, timer text, pre-webinar media, and the countdown timer. Once you are satisfied with everything, don't forget to save your changes. That would be all for this video. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.